Go.
Hi, Jed Dodd, PeaceHavens. Must have heard of me. Start again.
Right, we're out digging today, Saturday, 5 degrees and it's forecast snow flurries, and we're out with Jed, PeaceHavens, on a seal hunt. Someone's took over half of this land, so they've just gone to see the farmer to let him know what's going on. Right, everybody found a seal except for me, and I've just found my first one. Dead deep. There we go. A Russian flax seal. Woohoo! Right, I found 5 already. John's got 1. Not sure how many Jed's got. I know he got 1. Woohoo! I've got 6 now. I'm just having a rest because John's only got 1. See if he's got one there. Jed's on his way over. I think we've had over 1,000 off this field alone. This is just one of the sites and one of the fields. It's by the river. I'll have a look in a minute. We're going to have a cuppa now by the river. I think Jed's just got a coin there. I've just had a crusty coin. We've been here a lot of times. Right, I've had 16 now and John's got 20. How many you got, Jed?
8.
8 for Jed. Jammy John. Jammy John. Right, we've moved into another field further up. The view is just gorgeous up here. Bloody beautiful. We're on pasture now. I've just had the first seal as we walked on. The river down there. Beautiful. There they are. Ah, that's it. I've just found Jed's iron ring. He doesn't do iron. There's John through the hole. Oh, I just snapped the bolt off my machine. There. I think I've got a spare one in the van, but it's miles away. So John's going to beat me now. Oh, never mind. I'll just sit here on this nice bench. Tree falling down in there. They're still finding seals. I have got a spare bolt for it, but it's back at the van. By the time I get there and come back, it'll be getting dark, so I'm just watching. Oh, there's a dog. That's me. Give these to Jed now. I found 18 before my machine broke. That's good.
Got, and I can open this can. The old man got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
You got some coins as well.
Yay!
I didn't get a coin.
Only bragging. Well, how many did you get?
Oh, I can't mind them. Oh, you count them now.
Right, back at home after a fabulous day out with Jed, PeaceHavens project once again. Obviously Jed's got the seals, 18 of them. I've got 2 bronze bearings, like a button, a big piece of bronze waste, big piece of lead, bits of lead, one of them, I think that's a musket ball or a pistol ball, and that's off, it's either a linen tag or something like that, it's got a bit broke off. So yep. Also Jed gave us this big box and he said open that when you get home, and he said to me it will take you 2 hours to go through it all, and I am absolutely blown away. This is just a sampler, I'll have to do a proper video of it. It's all like from, it's Chinese I think, Tibetan monks and all that. It's just amazing. Jade. Oh my god, there's rings, Chinese coins. Look at that big piece of jade. Bracelets, chains, rings. This is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And this little flask, look at it. Beautiful. I don't even know where to start, and I don't know how to thank Jed for that. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to go through it all properly. So thank you very much, Jed. Oh my gosh, I'm lost for words. Amazing. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Look at that bracelet there. It's all made from jade and it's just so much. I can't even show you it all properly. So I look forward to going through that and showing everyone. So thanks again, Jed. Had a great day. We had fun as always. Apart from when my machine broke. So thanks for watching everybody, thanks for commenting and subscribing. Best wishes to everybody. Bye for now. Bye.